Cake, cake, cake. I love carrot cake because it is one of the freshest cakes you can ever have. Carrots, raisins, some cinnamon, some delicious frosting.
Okay, when you said raisins, I cringed.
It's an experience. Enjoy the ride.
Here's the thing. I just equated you
Yes.
to carrot cake. And I love you. So I feel like it's only fair to give carrot cake a chance.
Are you ready?
If it's gonna be anywhere, it's gonna be here because this smell is so good. I'm ready.
Let's take in the smell together. Yay!
I'm ready.
Go! Heard that you were in the business of converting people into carrot cake lovers.
That's second nature to us,
Okay.
converting people, and we have so many testimonials, so we are ready for the challenge.
So can you tell us why carrot cake?
This is a business that my husband started some 35 years ago. He had recipes that were his family, and he decided to make it his own, and that was really the genesis of Lloyd's carrot cake.
Is it possible for us to see how the magic and all the love happens?
Absolutely.
Woo!
Awesome! It smells even better
I
back
wish you
here.
guys could smell it.
When we say Lloyd's carrot cake is made from scratch, we literally mean that, because as you can see, these are all just wholesome ingredients. There's no artificial anything here. So what we do is we start with our oil,
All right.
eggs, and our sugar. And if you can just pour that in that mixing bowl.
In that?
In that mixing
Me?
bowl. Yeah.
Yes, you.
Yes, you.
I have to confess, I have never baked a cake from scratch.
All right, well, you're baking one now. So now we put in our sugar. Next, we have our eggs. Amber, are you going to help out with
I
this
will
task?
help out with this task. Thank you.
Don't mess up.
So now we have our smooth, creamy texture.
Yeah.
We're going to add the dry ingredient.
Here we go. So
All
what's
right.
in here? It's
We have
flour.
our flour,
Yep.
our cinnamon, we have baking powder, baking soda, some salt.
Oh God, it's heavy.
Yeah.
How many pounds of carrots is this?
We have 27 cups of carrots here.
Oh, you're so strong.
Pour this
Look
out.
at all that deliciousness.
So this is the batter.
This is the part where we add the nuts and raisins. Hannah, are you ready for this?
Okay, when you said raisins, I cringed. We've come this far. We might as well just
You
go
might
big.
as well.
We
All
might
right,
as well go big.
So Hannah, why don't you do the pleasure of putting in the raisins? More raisins. Okay.
All the raisins.
That's good.
That's good?
No, that's good.
This is the nuts within carrot
They're
cake.
walnuts that we use.
They're my
right?
favorite.
And then we're going to stir that up. All right, so this goes into the oven. All righty.
Our baby.
So we have our signature cream cheese frosting.
Okay.
Right, it's simply made with cream cheese, butter, and vanilla. That is the extent of our cream cheese frosting.
Wow.
No pressure. Yeah, hold it with one hand, or whatever makes you comfortable.
Okay. One hand's good. This
All
thing
right.
is heavy.
Yeah, it's,
It's lava.
there you go.
Smooth that baby out.
Now's the true test. How will it taste? All right, here goes nothing. Cheers. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Okay.
What's going on? What are you tasting? What's happening in your mouth?
Oh my.
Exactly. So much goodness, like I said earlier.
It's really good.
No, it's
And
really
another
good.
one, I got another comment.
100% conversion rate.
It's so good.
Wonderful, wonderful.
I did not think it was possible. I do not think that all carrot cakes are created equal. I think that they have something very special here, and it's hard to find something that's made with this much love.
Yeah.
But I love it. So bite me. I'm a convert. I like carrot cake now.